Okay, just a little update from Olongapo City. The booze bar, which I've talked about many times for months and months, are supposed to be open. It looks like they might be opening soon. The doors open. They got a lot of stools wrapped up in plastic in there. Look like brand new stuff. So just maybe they're gonna open up soon. So when they do, I'll bring it to you. As long as I'm in town, I'll make sure I bring this booze bar to you, and we'll go from there. This is Jordan. Okay, it's Sunday afternoon in Olongapo City, over here on 6th Street, and right off of Hanson. Came off Masaisai. I've given you this look the last couple times in the night, pretty much. A little bit in the day, but I thought I'd give it to you today when it's actually see the bars, because at night it gets so dark out here, that's why. So yeah, this is George from 6th Street. Got Jaron Resto Bar right there. So right here, it's Jaron. I'm gonna go to the other side of the street so I can get a little better shot of the places going down. At the end of the street, if I turn around here, got the night market area. Straight down to end of 6 there on Hanson, and RMT, kind of a little drinking place and pretty much a resto bar. Got a little laundromat right here as I'm going down. Kind of right behind Masaisai here. 6th Street is just basically the back street behind Masaisai. A lot of people that were here before probably know it. Other people, at least if they know it's the street behind Masaisai, that's good. Bar City right there is another little, there are little drinking bars, karaoke bars. Most of them's local bars. But, you know, I've been in almost all of these. They treat me great. Have a beer or so, or whatever, and it works. A couple of them's changed their names, like Sanayon is been there, so that one's the same. This Gratis Mises, might not be saying that right, Music Lounge, that's kind of changed over a while back, but it used to be something else. I forget what it was. And then the next one is a Green Wren's Resto Bar. So that's kind of the things they have here on 6th Street. Down here, if you keep going to the end of the road, you'll be at SM Downtown. You got the trike place. You can catch a trike definitely down there, big old trike stand. It's kind of what you got going on here on 6th Street. That's it. Studio 23 over here. I'm right behind Jelly Bee. It's a 24-hour little market place, not to be confused with Jolly Bee. And then San's Music Hub. The only reason I like pointing this out, they have probably the best shawarmas in town. It says the best, but they are. I haven't had any better. If you go over to Royal, on the base of New Royal by Manila Avenue and Canal Road, you'll see a little shawarma stand out there, and it's from the same place. So it's San's as well. They just have a stand over there, but it's highly recommended, really good. But that's kind of what you got going on here. Got a little vape shop here if you vape. I know I don't vape, but if you do, a little vape shop right out the back side of Jolly Bee there, or Jelly Bee. See, I'm saying Jolly Bee. It's easy to do. As we keep going down here, like I said, this store is pretty big, so just a busy place behind here. And then right down here, as a look, got a place called Casa Zugba Grill. Zugba Grill, they've been around a while now. They opened kind of right during the ending days of the lockdowns, but glad to see they're still open. I know their lights was on the other day, so I know they're still in business. And in the evenings, there's a lot of food, little street vendors by the road, or by the mall, I should say. But during the day, a couple. And you got this lechon place, Burger Heads, I think is still open. Not sure about the little sushi place there, whatever it is, Siomora. And then the Wing Squad looks like they're back open. They had closed down, I thought, but it looks like they are back in business. So that's a good thing that the Wing Squad has reopened. It's always good to see. Maybe they just took some time off. I really don't know, but yeah, so all this is on 6. So you got a little few drinking places more toward the other end of the street. Up here close to the mall, you got most of the food places. And like I said, the big trike stand. You can catch trikes over here across the road on the back side of the mall. You've got the taxi stands. That's kind of what you got going on. Another Sans Sisig Marino right there. Probably a Sisig joint. Have not been in there. And then they got another place now, Taco Wama and Cape Rustico. They've been there a little while now. They're right under, might be part of Slim's bar. I think Slim's is still open, but like I said, they're open at night. Cross street above 7-Eleven, got Night's Watch. They're open at night. Told you about the bar going down the street, on down straight ahead on 6. They went out of business. But I'm looking at right here, I'm at Gordon and 6 right here. And that's kind of where I'm at on this Sunday afternoon. That's kind of where I'm at. Go down Gordon right here and kind of turn around. If I see something else to bring you, I will. But looking back over toward the taxis, I always catch a taxi there. Catch them to SBMA anywhere in Olongapo or over to Barreto. I know Barreto, it usually costs me less than 200 pesos from right there at those taxis over there. So it takes less than 200 pesos. But this is George from Gordon Avenue. A lot of people out walking. This heat is brutal, but yeah, it's a brutal day today right here in Olongapo for the heat. And I do see more food vendors right by across from the taxis, basically right there at Gordon and 6. More food vendors. And like I said, it's early in the afternoon. It's about 1:30, 2 o'clock. I don't really know what time, but it's something like that. If I get something else, I'll bring it to you. This is George outside SM City, Olongapo downtown. Okay, I'm out here at basically Findler Extension and 1st Street. Got the Kebab Express over there. Riza Nation, Dine Place, Surf Place. I got another little coffee shop I know is over in that building, But First Coffee. And then these Mr. Wings I brought you before, but that's kind of where I'm at. I could continue up 1st Street, come out at Rizal Extension, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back up here on 3rd, then cut down, go up to 3rd, cut down 3rd over to Rizal, and then I'm going to walk back toward SBMA. But this is George. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Okay, I made it up here. Came up Findler Extension, looking at it. 3rd Street right here by Frankie's Resto Bar. And looking back that way, going toward Rizal. And like I said, straight ahead is Findler. And this is 3rd. I thought Frankie's would be open by now. They're not. I knew Dempsey's was closed today. All the little Filipino bars, they are not open till the evening. So without Frankie's being open, it's pretty rough out here trying to get a drink. But yeah, pretty rough. But this is a good look at 3rd Street. Nothing's open, but it's daytime. So I'm gonna walk down here, give you a look, and then I'm gonna turn back around and head back toward Rizal. But I'll give you a look here in the daytime, what you're looking at. Like I said, at night sometimes it's hard to see. It's dark. Not a lot of lights in Olongapo City. Sang Sang's Resto Bar. This Ever Hotel closed a few months ago. Dempsey's, like I said, they're open every day but Sunday. Good place. I recommend it. Tambayan there, Family KTV bar, Filipino place, and this little bamboo place. I think they're open. Not now, but they're currently open. It used to be CJ's for a brief time. And then you got the Sea Log place. And then you got Frankie's, like I said. And I'm going to turn back around here and show you. You got the Meow Bar there. Boozers was there. Not the booze bar that I was talking about earlier, but Boozers. But that one's not open temporarily. Hopefully they reopen. It's a good little place. And then that's pretty much, like I said, Frankie's, but that's pretty much on 3rd. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Okay, I'm over here on SBMA on Sunday evening. Just wanted to bring a little update. La Sole, La Lune Cafe and Bar that I brought one time. There's a band. They usually had a band on the weekend. Well, the thing looks like, I don't know if they totally gone out of business or what, but definitely maybe just doing a rework, remodel. I'm not sure, but if I find out, I'll let you know. But it's right as you turn to go to the lighthouse down here at Moon Bay, right by the villas. So in the Cascade Bar, but this is George from SBMA. Okay, continuing my walk down here on SBMA and Moon Bay Marina area, I want to show you what's under construction over here. It would have been open already, but the rains and storms kind of slowed construction up. But right here is actually going to be a golf driving range right here, and you're going to hit it out toward the water there. So you're going to hit your balls out, drive them toward the water, and there's a big lot out here. Kids play American football in and all that. They used to play even over here, but now this, like I said, going to be a golf driving range. So that's to come. Hopefully it gets done before too long. And now across the street, I'm going to show you one more thing they got going on. And here we go, showing you more of the what's going to be the golf driving range. And like I said, it's under construction here. Very nice. And then over here, it's going to be a putting green. So that's kind of cool, the putting green over here. And then it's right at the Rotunda, right by Sexy Legs Chicken, Leonardo's, and Fusion Corner. This is going to be the putting green right here. So I want to show that to you. Nothing over here right now but a dog sleeping, but it is under construction. Stay tuned. I'll let you know when it's open. I'll bring you the finished product. This is George from SBMA.
Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to George All About the Philippines. Thank you.